Good morning, Kinder friends. This is a review video for ending sounds. Today we're going to talk about how to find the very last sound in a word. This is a bag. I will say bag slowly, and you will listen for the ending sound. Bag. Bag. What sound do you hear at the end of bag? I hear g at the end of bag. Let's say bag together and make the last sound stronger. Try it with me. Bag, bag, bag. The last sound is g. Good job. Now let's try it with pen. Say it with me. Pen, pen, pen. The last sound is n. Pen. Now let's try map. Say it with me. Map, map. The ending sound is p. Good job. And one more. Let's try it with cat. Say it slowly with me. Cat, cat. What is the last sound for cat? Good job. The last sound in the word cat is t. Let's think about this word, rug. Say it slowly to find the very last or the ending sound in the word. Rug. Rug. Try it with me. Rug. What sound do you hear at the end of this word? I hear a g sound at the end of this word. Rug. Good job. This is a bat. Let's say the word slowly. Bat. Bat. What sound do you hear at the end of the word bat? Do you hear a t? Good job. What is this picture? A sun. Let's say the word sun slowly. Sun. Sun. What sound do you hear at the end of this word? Do you hear n at the end of this word? Good job. And one more. This is a mop. Say it slowly with me. Mop. Mop. What sound do you hear at the end of this word? P is the last sound of mop. P. Good job. Now you will see 8 pictures on the screen. Your job is going to be to find the pictures that have the same ending sound that I tell you. First, we'll name all the pictures. Feet, rope, bug, cup, bat, sheep, hat, egg. Now you try to name all the pictures. Good job. First, you're going to find all of the pictures that end with the t sound. That means the word has t at the end. Point to all the pictures that have the t sound at the end. There are 3. If you need more time, simply pause the video. Here are the 3 words that have the t sound at the end. Feet, bat, hat. How did you do? Good job. Now, find the pictures that have the p sound at the end. Again, there are 3 pictures that have the p sound at the end. If you need more time, simply pause the video. Here are the 3 words that have the p sound at the end. Rope, sheep, cup. How did you do? Good job. Now, there are 2 pictures that have the g sound at the end. G. Point to the 2 pictures with the g sound. Okay, if you need more time, pause the video. Here are the 2 words that end with the g sound. Bug and egg. Bug and egg. So, in this, we looked at words that have the t sound, like feet, bat, and hat. We looked at words that have the p sound at the end, like cup, rope, and sheep. And we also looked at words that have the g sound at the end, like bug and egg. Great job. What did we learn to do today? We learned to find the last sound in a word. What can we do to find this sound easily? We can say the word slowly and make the last sound stronger, like we did with cat, cat, mop, mop, bag, bag. If you're stuck on a word trying to find the ending sound, say the word slowly and say the ending sound stronger. It'll help your ears and your brain hear that ending sound. Great work today. Keep working hard.